explain.
Oh, i-explain mo na yung decision na ng judges.
Number one, nahirapan kami mag-decide kasi magagaling kayong lahat. Okay, palakpak mo na.
Yes!
Deserve kayo na pumasok sa finals. Okay, pangalawa, nahirapan kami.
Saka dapat naka-checks kayo pagka mag-judge.
Ayun naman. Oo nga, no? Spot shots.
Congratulations din kasi lahat halos magaganda yung boses kung quality at quality. Pero importante yung choice of song. Importante yung pagpipili ko kayo kahit gaano maganda yung boses nyo, dapat babagay sa inyo yung kanta. Akma dun sa boses. So kung nakikinig po kayo, yun una nyo titignan, wag yung initial na dating nung kanta. Pero kung bagay ba yung kinanta niya, na-reach niya ba yung potential niya as a singer. So, yung top 3 namin,
i-announce natin. Yes, mayroon pang dagdag. Kaya pala walang kumakanta ng Kawawang Cowboy, no? Now I understand.
Additional po, pag nag-choice ka ng song, dapat kaya yung panindigan. Pagka kantahin nyo siya na may soul. Kasi para mas maramdaman ng audience. Di ba din kayo nag-enjoy Kasi pag pinag-usapan kasi natin singing, dapat ang audience nakaka-relate sa inyo. Alright? Kasi pag di lang kasi kami nabibis lang sa ganda ng voice mo, ganda ng tono mo, or nasa tono ka or what. How you interpret, how you perform it, yun yung importante. Okay, so yung mananalo po ngayon, makita talaga namin yung galing niya. Kaya congratulations for that.
Yes. May I request all the participants, all the contestants to please line up according to our numbers. There you have it. As requested by our Supreme Court of Justices. Dito ko tayo, dito, okay? And I will stand on this corner. There you go. At, yes, sir. Drum, ano daw? Kailangan daw ng isang drum. Isang drum na tubig. Drum roll, please, for our second runner-up with our drum roll rolling already. Bakit dito na tayo mag-create ng noise? Ayan. Wow, galing, sir. Pang-military yan, Okay. And, ang mag-a-award ay, yun ang judges natin, syempre, kaya nandun sila sa stage. Okay. Kita-kita kayo dyan, sir. Sa picture, ay, nako, kita-kita kayo dyan. Ayan. There you go, there you go. Yan, tig-isa tayong corner. Kompleto ba tayo? Ayan, may ID? May ID? Okay. Ayos. Kasi no ID, no entry, ha? Our second runner-up is no other than Mr. Douglas Contestant number 1! Music, please! There you go! Thank you so much to be awarded by, of course, our two guest judges. I'd like to also request our panelists to please come up the stage to personally congratulate our contestant number 11, being our second runner-up for tonight. Are you interested to find out the first runner-up? Alright, sige po. Yes, they are now being congratulated. No less than our VP for Marketing, VP for Operations, and of course, the Chairman of the Board, Ma'am Jo Galio. Our first runner-up. Ay, galing. Galing. Tanan. Contestant number 10, Beatrice Orbilia! First runner-up! Congratulations! And of course, you will receive a cash and a plaque. And of course, congratulations from our judges as well. Ngayon, pag in-announce ko na yung winner na yung ating grand champion, I'd like to give the microphone to her because as soon as I award or as we award, the music will be played and I want you to sing along with our grand champion. Okay? Sing along with our grand champion. May I ask for the microphone, please? If not, the microscope will do. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, our grand champion. Mia Maestro, ha? Ready na tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Lardy Kayamyam.
Have you ever reached your rainbow's end? Out of home to ever catch a shooting star and tell me how high did you soar? Ever felt like you are dreaming just to find that you're awake and the magic that surrounds you can lift you up and guide